Good afternoon. Today we will do the unboxing of Insta360 One R 1-inch edition sensor action camera. This is co-engineered with Leica. Okay, this camera is a modular camera, which means it comprises of 3 modules. The first one is the brain, where the processor, and then it has 1-inch sensor. The second is the lens module, and the lens was made by Leica. And the third one is battery. Okay. So when you open the box, it's like this. See? This lens was made by Leica, and it has 1-inch sensor. This action camera is expected to work better in low light condition than GoPro. Actually, this is now the main competitor of Hero GoPro 8 and 9. The top view. Okay. This, guys, the red one, this one is the battery. It's external. Okay, let us open the other accessories as usually. And this is the case, made of plastic. Other accessories are here. Quick start guide, warranty card, and cloth. Insta360 is also using this invisible selfie stick. It's made of metal. Okay, it has also mic adapter, which is especially made for Insta360 One R. Very small. This is the adapter. Very small. Here's also another accessory. USB. Basically, that's everything. So this is the Insta360 One R interchangeable lens action camera 1-inch edition, co-engineered with Leica.